So if you've been following along with our lake house build, you'll see that my dad, Bobby, has been around most days helping out. So we thought we'd do something special for him and come and do a little makeover of his place. So stay tuned for the reveal. Dad and his wife Debbie live in a little cute over 50s village. So we are going to call this a tiny home makeover, as tiny homes are what the cool kids are all loving these days. So we've prepped all the walls and going in with the EASYCOAT sealer and undercoat. This tiny home is prone to mould when there has been a lot of rain like we've had. So we love that the EASYCOAT paint is great for wet areas and has a no mould growth guarantee. We are also using the EASYCOAT ceilings and all walls paint. Now that the walls are painted, we are going to use the doors and trim paint to update the wardrobes and the kitchen cupboards. How cute are these stick-on tiles from Kmart? But I'll be honest, I don't have the patience and I gave up, so Jesse took over this job. We are updating the handles with some cute ones also from Kmart. Now it's time to style. This gorgeous rug and sofa is from B2C Furniture. We are using Dad and Debbie's existing bed and a quick push and chop and we are all done. Check out this before shot. And here is the gorgeous after. We used a gorgeous shade of white called cotton sheets to make everything feel fresh and spacious. We love how the cabinetry now looks all painted and with the new handles. And my favourite thing is this little bench seat area we created, which can act as an extra sleeping space when the grandkids sleep over. This space now feels less like a caravan and more like a tiny home holiday rental.